Okay, so what we got here is a nanobubble generator installed on a condenser water system at a condominium complex. So it's a 2-inch nanobubble generator running at 85 gallons per minute. The way this system works is that we have our condenser water pumps right here that are circulating water from a cooling tower, which sits on the roof, over to a plate and frame heat exchanger. So we don't actually have a chiller. We have a plate and frame heat exchanger, which separates the open loop cooling from the closed loop cooling. The closed loop cooling is on this side, and on the closed loop side, it circulates through heat pumps in residential units. They use these plate and frame heat exchangers to separate the cooling water from the closed loop system in the summer, and then in the wintertime, they have some boilers right here, lock and bar boilers that separate the closed loop side from the open loop side. We've also added a bag filter. This is a Filtrek carbon steel bag filter running a 10 micron bag filter. And the customer has been changing the bags every week or so. We've collected some samples of that to be analyzed. But essentially the way this system works is we work off of the differential pressure between the suction and the discharge of these main condenser water pumps. So what we have here is a line tapping off the discharge side. So here's the discharge side of the condenser water pump right here. Then here's our tap right here. They tapped into the condenser water line with the 3-inch line. The 3-inch line runs down through here, over through the bag filter so that we can catch all of the debris. Out of the bag filter, we run up here into the nanobubble generator. Again, we have a 2-inch nanobubble generator currently running at 87 gallons per minute. That runs through a balancing valve around here. Then we go right back into the suction header. So this is the condenser water suction header. So remember, we're pulling off of the condenser water supply header, and we're returning right back into the condenser water return header using the differential pressure that's generated from the condenser water pumps to create flow. So we have no additional pump required for this system.